Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's workout series, we are going to do something different. Yes, check it out. We will do a combination of multiple exercises. So to begin with, push up, alternate leg touch and then shift. Yeah, it is little complicated, but let's try it out. So remember, first is push up, then alternate leg touch and shift. Push up, alternate leg touch and shift. See, it is complicated. Okay, let's try it once again. Get the posture right, come into plank position, then push up, alternate toe touch, shift. Push up, alternate toe touch, shift. Yes, so we are going to do this 10 to 15 reps and then 30 to 40 seconds of rest and then repeat. Yeah, so this exercise is going to put all the stress on your hands, shoulders, your core, your back, legs. It is a full body workout. But all you need is 7 minutes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and remember, you can make a difference.